more than 100 animated React components like 3D elements, UI elements, background effects, cursor effects, buttons, text, layouts, navigation, and many more. Let me tell you a free modern library for modern developers. It's the part 10 of our chapter Frontend UI. The tool link is mentioned in the description, or you can visit Lightswind. See, there are categories of various components. Let's explore. And here we have 3D image gallery, beam circle, various background effects, buttons. You can also customize the component, hover effects, buttons, typographic ones, scroll reveal component, and many more. I personally like this library very much. It has modern, creative, and unique components. Simply select the one you like, preview the entire code, and you can also set up by a CLI. And the instructions are given. Smart buildings begin with smart choices. Design smarter.